Hi, this is Bo Baez with Learn Law Better. In this episode, I'm providing you with a segment from my introduction to the intentional torts, which covers the intentional torts covered by most law students during the first few weeks of law school. You can find more information on the entire course at learnlawbetter.com. These 6 torts all require an intentional act directed at a victim or a victim's property. Intent in this context requires that the wrongdoer either committed the act on purpose or desired the outcome, or that the wrongdoer knew to a substantial certainty that the result would occur. This intent requirement is different from the 2 other types of torts, negligence and strict liability. Negligence focuses on the unreasonable conduct of the wrongdoer, while strict liability looks at certain activities that the law classifies under the strict category. For example, keepers of wild animals, products liability, or those that use explosives. Once a plaintiff is successful in establishing that an intentional tort has occurred, the defendant can avoid liability by proving that there is an affirmative defense that applies. An affirmative defense is a legally recognized excuse for the person that committed the act to avoid liability. These defenses include consent, necessity, self-defense, defense of others, and defense of property. Once a jury determines that a person is in fact guilty of committing a tort, the final step is for the jury to determine the amount of damages that should be awarded. Tort law is very generous and attempts to place the victim back into the place they would have been if the injury had never occurred. This means that a plaintiff may recover all damages that are reasonably related to his or her injury. I hope you found today's episode useful. Let me know in the comments section how my videos are helping you, and share with me what topics you would find interesting in a future episode. We have many other episodes, so feel free to explore. Also, at learnlawbetter.com you will find more free resources to help you succeed, including our newsletter, blog posts, and exam bank. Thank you for watching.